In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the theme in Google Forms. Whether you're preparing a survey, a sign-up sheet, or a quiz, a polished theme helps your form look professional and on-brand. We'll keep this simple and focused, so you can get results quickly without guesswork. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to expect when updating your form's look and feel. Start by opening your Google form. Make sure you've selected the right form you want to work on. If you're revisiting something you created earlier, double-check the title at the top so you're editing the correct one. Forms auto-save as you go, which means any visual changes you make will be stored automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. Next, look to the top bar of the form editor, toward the upper right. Find the small palette icon labeled Theme. Go ahead and select it. This opens the Theme panel, your control center for visual styling. It appears as a sidebar on the right side of the screen and is designed to be straightforward, updating your form's preview in real time as you make choices. Inside this panel, you'll typically see options to adjust colors and add a header image, and in some versions, you may also find typography controls. If font options aren't visible in your interface, that's normal. Google sometimes limits or reorganizes these settings depending on updates or account types. The default font is chosen for readability and works well for most use cases. As you explore the theme panel, think about clarity first. Choose colors that offer strong contrast between text and background to keep your form accessible and easy to read. If you add a header image, aim for something simple and aligned with your brand or topic. Busy images can compete with your questions and distract respondents. For color accents, a consistent palette goes a long way. Pick one or two complementary shades rather than a full rainbow. Keep in mind that every adjustment you make updates the live preview of your form, so you can see exactly how it will appear to respondents. Since Forms auto-saves continuously, you can take your time experimenting, knowing your changes are preserved. That's all you need to access and manage the theme in Google Forms. Open your form, select the palette icon, and use the theme panel to fine-tune the design. With just these controls, you can elevate your form's professionalism and ensure it's clear, consistent, and inviting to complete.